Hey everybody. So we are you just never know where a Steph-N-Lee day is going to take you.
Never.
So at any rate, we are in Holmes State Park in North Carolina.
Beautiful, beautiful morning.
Yep. And I saw a sign they had exhibits or something, so we're going to try to find that and check it out and I don't know, see what we can see. Follow us. So all the stuff here: hiking trails, restrooms, picnic shelter, picnic tables, and a forestry center, which I believe is what we're going to go check out. And Stephanie's doing the little hike up to it. I might have to carry her back to the car. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Nice, they do have some picnic tables in here. So this is a southern red oak. And just to give you, Stephanie is like 5'6". So.
Oh my goodness.
That was a big tree. Here's one of the picnic areas they got. It's covered. Got a nice fireplace in there. The upper side of it. So these are the exhibits that they have here. The first one being this Huey helicopter, and probably most known for its time in the Vietnam War, but then they also used them to fight wildfires. And so let's go take a closer look at it. It's seen its better day. But we could open the door here and take a look inside. I can honestly say I always thought it would be cool to fly one. I've been in one, but pretty awesome. While we're walking to the next exhibit, there's a cool little creek here. Now they do have these push button, I guess it's supposed to talk to you, but
a fire requires heat, fuel, and oxygen in order to sustain combustion. On larger fires, suppression efforts are generally concentrated on removing the fuel from the path of the fire. The tractor plow unit is an important tool to help wildland firefighters accomplish this goal. Though large tractors are used in parts of the state, medium-sized tractors, like this HD6, are the backbone of the North Carolina Forest Service Fireline construction fleet. Working in conjunction with engines, hand crews, and aircraft, the tractor plow unit can quickly and effectively construct a good fire break.
So let's go take a look at this tractor plow.
Spivey. I've been watching the smoke at about 239 degrees. Looks like it's just north of Rich Mountain. Can you see anything in there?
Looks like there's smoke just topping the ridge down that way, Clyde. Stand by. Spivey to Bear Wallet. I've got a reading of 136 degrees on that smoke, Clyde. Looks like it's crossing somewhere around block 79.
I copy 136 degrees, Tim. Appreciate it. Break.
So the fire tower, which is pretty cool. We've been to a few of these. On some of our other videos. And this is just a short little representation, but a few of them are still in use. So it's a good thing we didn't drag Steph-N-Lee up here to the forestry center, because apparently it's under construction. But we'll take a look at the map here that shows all the hiking trails. So you are here, and we're right at the Talking Tree Trail, which isn't very long, 0.45 of a mile. There's the Forest Demonstration Trail, which is 2.85 miles long. A bunch of other little trails, a camping area, Wildcat Rock Trail, Soil and Water Trail, and that's the picnic area, the picnic shelter where we left Steph-N-Lee, and the bathrooms and an orientation point. And then there's the Crab Creek Trail. So that's all the trails that are in here, which is pretty decent. But I guess there ain't much else to see. I'm not gonna take hours or even a lot of minutes to go hiking around, leaving her down here. So let's go back down. And of course, a video like that, showing you equipment and stuff that's used to fight forest fires, thought it important to end this video with Smokey the Bear. Prevent wildfires. So this video was short. We didn't hike, obviously. I'm not going to make Steph-N-Lee wait in the car for me to like take some 5-mile hike. And but the exhibits were cool. That was also on a trail that Steph-N-Lee did not go on, but she'll see it when you see it. And I thought that was pretty neat, the helicopter down there, and the
Listen, this is a beautiful area. The bathrooms are super clean.
yes, they were
Beautiful. Park area for picnicking.
yeah, or hiking.
Nice trails. They seem to be paved. Not great, but better than, full of roots.
Well, I don't know how some of them look once you get up in there, but
I noticed a lot of people had their dogs on this trail, so
Yep.
I'm assuming this is an open area for walking your dogs. It's a nice wide trail.
yeah, they probably have to keep them on a leash, I would think. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you even more if you're subscribing. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day. Holmes State Park. Bye, Smokey. We'll see you next time.